SJG Bullies coming at y'all with another video. Just a quick reminder, season's getting ready to start. Fleas, ticks, flies, so be prepared. What I like to do, you can see here I got some Pet Armor Plus. I like to give my dogs a topical treatment. I have flea spray for any furniture, anything in the house. Bug Be Gone, which kills all the fleas, flea larvae, and anything that may be lingering in your yard that's been laying dormant over the winter time. Also fly traps. We keep them. We keep the fly traps. You must have fly traps if you have dogs, because where there's shit, there's flies. Excuse me, remember that. No, we don't have fleas, we don't have bugs, and I'm not paranoid, but prevention is the key. If you can get on it before it starts or before it happens, you've already won. Just another quick video from SJG Bullies, just showing y'all what we do to take care of our dogs. This is just some things that we just happen to pick up today, but we do have the actual boundary spray for the house. We spray the outside yard. Excuse me, we have spray for the actual dogs themselves. We wash them, flea and tick treatment. You got to remember to get out here and pay attention to your dogs. If you see any type of scratching, itching, be on it. If not, you might have an infestation before you know it. So remember to like, favorite, and subscribe. And I want to shout out to Novocaine Kennels, because I see that you using the same fly traps that I use, and brother, they work. Y'all have a good day.